Hello, Joe, Daddy.
Because we're not getting.
Sorry, you know, Lagos State has a way of changing you. You know that?
So you are from Lagos?
That is to say, I'm a Lagos boy. Eko ni baje. Excuse me. It will be an offense on me if I allow a beautiful girl like you walk under the sun. Hop in, let me drop you.
No, thank you. I have legs. I like walking.
It's all right.
What are you doing?
Since you have decided to punish yourself under the sun, let me join you.
Hey, Chimo. And why on earth do you want to do such a thing?
Kosi Yawere.
Meaning?
Meaning that I like you. In fact, I love you.
You better slow down with this your bicycle without tire. Don't think you can come to this village and confuse me. Or man walk.
Yegba! Ha! Tell me.
Okay. Where's the snake?
There was no snake. I was only admiring God's handwork.
You this man. Are you sure you're not one of those people that ran away from Sabbath Church in Ozubodi?
You're very funny. You are very funny. Hop in, let me drop you. What is there? Come here. Oh, do you know I almost lost my manners? Wale kia, wale simbe, wale change. What should the wale okay? Wale change. To baba boy, e ma yata pa phone. When we no juta. Ntori pele mande kwen. So fu me pe. Ya mo bona konko here. Ma so. To ba no hi.
If I say now you are foolish in your stupid nature, you would think I have insulted you.
Akwefugo, yet you say you've not insulted me. Beatrice, did I do evil by helping you in your time of trouble?
Hey! Anyone who hears the way you just spoke would think that you borrowed me your important husband for the night.
What did you just call my husband now? Hey! What did you just call my husband now?
Hey! Ebuka!
Hey! Ebuka one! Hey! Ebuka one is back! Hey! Are you sleeping? Hey! Welcome, my son.
Relax.
How can you tell me to calm down when I have been mocked by all the witches in Ezidefite? Ebuka, what happened?
That one is a long story.
A long story? A long story that kept you away from Ezidefite for good 8 years. We even thought you died.
You thought I was there?
Yes. That's not
Otale.
You don't remember me? But you remember coming to eat Otara in my house? Imagine Mokudere, a former.
I don't know. I don't remember. I can't place you. Iyamileko. To baba boy we my tap phone. We won no jota. If you move no you can call him. Oh show you okay. Wale, will you change? Oh, should okay, we'll look change.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
My money, please.
When you are tired, you go.
Let's go.
Either he's a thief or a ghost.
Where could you have gotten this money to buy a car from?
Ebuka, a car owner.
Lagos and Cotonou, and no one heard from you for 8 years. Your uncle Ozemena came back one year and told us that you died in a fire incident in Shagamu.
Uncle Ozemena is a drunk. He stays in a lorry. How could he have known what happened to me in Lagos? Yeah.
He even brought a newspaper report.
And you believed him?
What would I do? For 5 years, we did the burial, and it was big, and many people came.
Whose burial?
Your burial. We believed you were dead.
And what did Ekene do about all this?
Ekene, he has his own problems.
Where is he?
That is a long story. He will tell you himself when he returns tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Mama, I have been asking you, who is this girl that keeps smiling? I have asked you this question several times. Each time I ask, the only thing you do is to replace my beer. This is the 6th bottle, and you've not given me any answer.
Ebuka, it is a long story. Are we not celebrating? Yeah.
A long story. Another long story with celebration, Mama. It's all right. It's okay. Oshodiwale, pẹ̀lú change. Oshodiwale, pẹ̀lú change. Fumo bunan konko ya. Nítorí pé man dey kwen. Mama, you will not. Look at you. You did not even ask me. How did I learn all these things? What am I even speaking? As if you know that was I speaking Yoruba before I traveled? Eh? You should have asked. Mama, let me tell you. You see this Yoruba language? I am an expert on Yoruba language. Do you know that Oba of Lagos, anytime he wants to hold meeting with some international personalities, he invites me. Do you know there is this one language? There is this language in Yoruba. Each time Oba speaks the language, all expatriates stands up and give him standing ovation. Do you know what it is? Change.
Ah, is it Buhari type of change?
This is Yoruba. Whenever the Oba says Oshodiwale, Pelu change, all the expatriates stand up and give him standing ovation.
Anyway.
Ah! Ó ti kú ni. Eléwòrè ni o. Ó ti wà mí. Léwòrè ni. Ó léwòrè ni. Ó tún torí pé mande pé. Tó mo mo ta ko fe. Ha! Fún mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan ko ya nítorí pé mande pé. Oshodiwale pẹ̀lú change ó ti kú. Ó ti kú mi. Kí ló dé? Kí ni ní eléyìí? Kí ni wá? Kí ni pọ̀pọ̀? Kí ni wá? Olè. Eh?
What is the problem?
Mama, don't ask me what is the problem. You're asking me what is the problem as if you don't know what is the problem. By the look on your face. With the look on your face, Mama, you know what the problem is. With the look on your face, Mama, you know what the problem is. So don't ask me.
You know what?
No what, Opa. Mama, what is that smiling hyena doing on my bed naked? What is that smiling hyena doing naked on my bed?
Naked.
Mama, how many times will I repeat it? How many times will I repeat it? Mama? What kind of question is that one? Eh? How will I know if I Nigerian or not? Were you not the person who gave me 6 bottles of potato? How will I know where I was? Did I know where I was? Did I know? Mama? How am I even sure she did not rape me? Yeah?
Hey!
I didn't well loaded. I didn't well loaded. Ile mani ga hungazi chuku. I didn't well loaded, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
I didn't well loaded. Ile mani ga hungazi chuku. I didn't well loaded. My husband. Will you like to eat before taking your bath or after?
What did she call me? Who?
Who else? You, of course. You remember the girl I told you about the last time you came?
That was 8 years ago.
Just answer the question.
Mama, please remember to tell him all the things I wanted to tell him before.
Yes, sir.
I remember. And I equally remember telling you that I don't want a wife. I don't want any woman.
I knew you did not mean all these things. Because when I saw the look in your eyes, the first time you met her. So, I went ahead to pay her bride price, hoping to tell you when you come back, but you never did.
Mama, so you kept her for these 8 years?
Yes. She's a very good girl. Even when we buried you.
Buried you?
Sorry, buried your picture. She refused to go back, insisting that you will come back, that you are still alive. And the husband is still alive.
Husband? Who?
You now.
Mama, I remember vividly. I never told you at any point that I wanted a woman or a wife. So you went and married a 15 years old girl and kept for me. You better return her to her parents.
They died 2 years ago.
Yes. Very sad. They died a week apart from Ukwaranta.
That is tuberculosis. Thank you very much. Mama, I don't want. Sorry, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. God, did you tell him my situation?
How many things will I tell him at a time?
I'm going to make a Mama, go to not have and will.
Suki, stop crying. Eh? Did he? You will go back tonight. He must eat his food by fire, by force.
And why are you doing all this? You don't even know anything about me.
I know everything that I need to know about you. I know that your mother is our lover.
Ologini,
Olopa is a Yoruba language that means a policeman who is doing well in his work. In her case, it is her work. I'm also aware that you were born in Port Harcourt.
Yes, so we call it pitakwa. So what do you want from me?
Well, I am a businessman who lived almost all his life in Lagos. I have traveled to Cotonou and some other countries. I decided to come back home to look for a wife because I want to marry.
So you did not see any woman in Lagos and the places you have mentioned?
Where I stay, in fact in Lagos and the places that I saw beautiful girls. Even to the extent that now them they rush us, you know. But that is not what I want. I am looking for a true love. What? Show more.
And it is me, Obiageli, you want to marry, just like that.
Of course. It is you, Obegeli, that I want to marry. It is you that my heart yearns for. You understand? I just want you to take your time and think about. Excuse me. Sorry. My phone. Hello? Senator? I salute you. Báwo ni iṣẹ́? Yes, sir. Senator, is me, Tenkobo. Did my voice change? Ewo, Senator. Mo ni around o. I am not around. Mo ni around. Yes, I traveled. No, Senator, you don't have to worry yourself. Have I disappointed you? Have I ever disappointed you, Senator? I have not. So I will not disappoint you. It's all right, Senator. I will call you later. By the way, Senator, how is Abuja? When no jota. Shobon kotonso. Senator, oti gbagbe Èkó ní bàjẹ́. Èkó ò ní bàjẹ́. Àbí o mọ̀ ni? Ṣó wọ lọ́bẹ̀? Yes, sir. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ó dàárọ̀. It is one of my business partners, you know.
Was that really a senator?
A senator. A senator of Federal Republic. Let me tell you, very soon you will get to know me better. This man standing before you, I am Oloye Tenkobo, the Omoba one of Mushi, the special advisor to Oluomo of Oshodi, special advisor to Oba of Lagos, the best friend of His Excellency, Governor of Lagos State, Omo Igbo Tonsho Fuji. That is me. So relax. By the way, take this. I want you to think about all that I have said. By the way, Moti Werenia, that is to say, let me bid well to your mother. Can you call her? Let me, you know. Askari Werenia. Askari Werenia.
What's it call me that one?
Askari Werenia is a Yoruba language that means you will be promoted to commissioner.
Oh, amen. Oh.
Is that right? Is that
amen.
Right?
Person don't suffer too much for this one, not this one.
Yeah.
For waiting now.
They say person wey no person. Now they call person. This is for you.
For me?
Better Werenia.
Hey.
Werenia.
Thank you.
Werenia, it means say it aloud. Sing the phrases.
You will come again.
Osigari Werenia. Askari Werenia.
You will come again.
Shoti Werenia.
You will come again.
Askari Werenia. Babe. Yeah.
You will come again.
Omolomo yeah. Yeah means you will continue smiling. That is yeah. It's okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
How much to give you?
Hey, Mama, 10K.
You mean I'm?
10,000.
Where's my own? Even that in pocket, eh? The kind money why I see for that in pocket go reach 50 baht.
He pass.
Yeah.
Mama, he pass. As we dey even talk, one senator call him. He say na him business partner.
You mean am? Wetin you come tell am? You gree am happen?
I dey wan do shakara now as usual.
Yeah. Shakara? As tear rubber motor abi as a Belgian motor? Which one? See, make I tell you. You see this one? Tire. Chena. Before them go play your tape, give am. You do shakara. I beg, I won't make it comic. This one. Can I come? Yeah?
Yes. Business is bad, Chief, honestly speaking. I know. As we speak, Chief, I'm in Ghana. Yes, I roamed my number. I'm in Ghana. Yes, I know elections are around the corner. Don't worry yourself. I will make another plan. I will make other arrangements. No worry. Yes, I will get back to you. Oh? Udaro. Alade? What's happened?
Thank you. Nibolo, where you dey?
Which kind of nonsense question be that one? What kind of rubbish question is that one? Yeah?
Whoa. You know, come bail me, come up for here.
Idiot. What happened?
I came to sleep.
You came to sleep where? My friend, go into your room. The one with the Burguni.
I like it when you speak Yoruba. I told people that my husband can speak Yoruba very well.
It is very obvious now that you are not normal. My friend, you better get out of this place.
I'm not going anywhere. Mama said this is mine.
And then stay there if you want.
So I should go.
Yes. How many times have I told you to go?
So you don't want me?
I don't want.
So I should go.
Yes. How many times will I say it? I have said it many times.
So you don't want me?
I don't understand. What don't you understand? Never. Did I speak French? Yamileko, is it true? Ebuka, or Tenkobo, or whatever you choose to call yourself. I beg you, please, come to that shrine and take your possession.
Ebuka, my son, when your father died suddenly and we couldn't reach you, the oracle gave us 2 years to bring you
2
back.
good years? Well, you're busy finding this idiot.
Or there will be more death in this family. 2 years. You didn't return. And your brother Ekene here was forced to take over the position of the chief priest till you return.
No, you're here. Okay. Come to Igbo Shrine so that we officially hand you over. You take off from where I stop. Ekene, let me ask you this simple question. Did I force you to go and take the position of the chief priest of Igbo? Did I? You accepted to take that destiny, so be there. Is this your son normal? Is he normal? I'm just asking. Is he normal? See, let him not test me. I'm not well. I'm not well at all. Let me tell you, do I look like any hospital have my cure?
Ebuka, you know that this thing always fall on the last son of the family.
Mama, you should have given birth to another son who will be interested in taking over the juju or the oracle.
He's my husband.
Don't be angry.
If I slap you, who's your husband? If I slap you, you will disappear from this place and appear in your father's house. Husband. You mad? Ebuka, I'm giving you 2 solid weeks, which is 14 days running. I'll wait patiently for you to come and take over the possession of Ibudu Shrine. If I wait and I didn't see you, I'll carry the shrine back to this compound.
Can't do that.
What is done now? Did you hear your son threatening my life? No problem. He is threatening me with juju. Let me warn him. If he tries any nonsense on me, I will show him why Toale boys call me Olo Tenkobo. Tell him, I'm not joking.
Hey! Which one is Tuwale boys again? Ebuka?
Yes, look. I am not in Nigeria. I'm in Cotonou. Cotonou somewhere around Port Novo. Behind Aflawo. What is it you don't understand? Don't you know that people can roam their numbers? I roamed my number. Don't worry yourself. When I come back to Nigeria, I will call you. Relax. When I come back, I will call you. This is as simple as ABC. It's all right. Let me call you later. Bye-bye.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, fine girl.
I'm looking for Mama Ekene.
Mama Ekene? She went out. I learned that today is market day.
Yes. That's true. Today is market day.
Is there any problem?
My mother asked me to come and collect the money she's owing her.
Afoma?
Yes.
I remember telling her to come today and collect it. It's all right. That is it.
Are you Oloye Tenkobo?
Tenkobo. One and only Tenkobo.
Thank you, sir.
You're a fine girl. Honestly. You hear the voice?
I hear that.
That's usually the goat, the size. And I say, on my heart, I'll give to my wife.
Thank you, my son. God bless you.
Where's Abigail?
Oh, she got new. She go see my cousin.
You mean you have family around?
You know this is our police work now. Everywhere we get family.
My heart caught. I was thinking people which was trying to avoid me. I've not seen her for 2 weeks. No.
Avoid. It's not possible. As soon as she returns, I will tell her
Thank you. Thank you, Ezeboy. You need to get this offer. Regardless. They got away. Thank you.
This is for me, eh?
Yes. You need to issue. You know, bigger one will come later.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, Bob,
Yes. So we'll come and see you.
Thank you.
Hey! Obi! Obi! Abeg, come. Abeg, wetin you give this one?
Mama, only one mat when I give and chop. Now you can follow me like
Avoid them. Avoid this one.
how much you give?
200 naira. Boy.
200 naira, so.
Hey, if you see as this money run for finish, na so you dey open am. Dey open am. Bring that.
Poverty.
And that goat wey dey there, na I carry come. Abeg, call Ogu. Make him come carry this goat. Go sell am. Me, I no dey chop sacrificial lamb. I no dey chop sacrificial animal. Hey! Eh? That one wey dem don carry go give offering for shrine. Right? That's dey kill himself. No be for my house.
My instinct told me that you are going to be a sweet girl. Very sweet.
Hey! Timo! Eh? Hey! Yeah! What are you doing here? What are you doing with my husband? Inside the room? Hey!
Mama, come and hold your dog. Come and hold your dog.
Rita, is this the chicken money your mother sent you to come and collect?
Ask her.
Inside the room, on my son's bed? Eh, what?
Mama, I love him and he loves me.
Pompe.
Ashota! Ishaya! Nobody will take my husband away from me. Instead, I will kill everybody and kill myself.
Start by killing my mother. If you have plans of killing any person, start by killing my mother. Look at you. You kill everybody. Baby, see you later. Go.
Which always kill everybody. Sometimes I don't understand.
Mama, every night the spirit of he-goat will take over his body. He will not let me rest. Daybreak, he will be treating me like rag. Is it good? Emma or Demma? Eh? Is it good?
My son, your brother here brought a report, and that is why we are here.
I hope this report he brought to you has nothing to do with the oracle.
Exactly. That is the reason.
That is the reason. Well, let me save you the stress. I know you're a busy man. You're a busy man. I want to save you the stress, save you the time.
No, please don't bother about us and time. We have all the time with us. Do you know why I say this? This issue also affects the entire community.
If you have all the time, I don't have all the time. My answer is no.
No, Guinea. What have we said already?
No to anything that will take me to that shrine to sit as a chief priest.
It's not just any deity.
It is Igbo.
And every last son in this family has served this deity as a chief priest. And your brother stood in when
what? I thought this juju told you people that I am dead.
You thought?
What makes you believe that I'm still alive? How are you sure that you're not speaking with a ghost? Yeah?
I told you.
He's a stubborn boy. If I get angry over this matter now,
what will happen? If you get angry, what will happen? What will happen?
You won't like me.
I won't like you. Let me tell you that you went to a Kamich to go and get 10 shilling juju does not give you the leverage to talk to me. Let me not forget that you are my brother, because if I do, I will make you eat all the grass in this our village. Ichie, I don't want. Go and tell your juju that I am dead. According to how he said, what he said, I am still dead. Go and tell him. Let me save you this stress.
Yeah.
Take. Take. This is my homage for time spent. This is my homage for your time spent.
All this for me. Are you Uchendo that have been worried for the past 3 days for money to make soup? Huh? This is Olenkane to get.
Tenkobo. Oloye Tenkobo.
Oloye Tenkobo. Babolo.
What just happened? Okay, my level.
Hey!
He gave you something. Money. You collected. Ed. You collected. Shameless people. Shameless people.
Ekene, watch your tongue. We are Ndiche. Huh? By the way, what do you want us to do? Beat him up? Mbana. I will talk to him. Look into that matter, but not today.
I will talk to him. Besides, he has a point. He was buried. Funeral ahead. And so, he's dead. Oh, he's dead.
You and whatever money he has given to you, or not. Because if you are here, if you enter inside and come out, you will never remain the same.
Oh, good. Huh? Oh, madam,
no, I'm not rebel. I'm a son.
You're not more than brother. I'm very well. I know you. And by now you're supposed to know me.
Yes. You are my brother. My elder brother, for that matter. At times like this, you protect my interest.
I will eat grass. I'll chop all the grass.
No. Why would you chop grass?
Tell me what will happen if I see it on the fire. You know why? Because I don't have money for burial now.
Eh? Who's burial?
You. Because I will kill him. You know, I'm Najak. Me, Bukwai. My grown up.
Think about it. Now you get what goes to what in a no one to Brahma women. Be my attack my foot. To live one and the world. Show one cotton so. Jai Yoko. Think about Siwa. Hi Yoko. Think about Siwa. Think about.
How far? So you're finally out of prison on bail. Those police people they are very nice people.
Okay, so your plan now for make I die for them in Kusibe Abi. So you got to plan here. Money fellow, I will not leave you until you give me my own part of the money.
See, let me tell you, everything you have said, back to sender. Anything where you talk, back to sender. I have left Lagos for you. Enjoy. If it is easy, continue. Look at you. I used my Igbo sense to establish a business. I introduced you to the business. You came to Yoruba and series of parties to expose our business. And I want to put the blame on me. Look at that. See, make I tell you, your juju no get transport to locate where I dey. In case you don't know, breeze no dey enter prison. Oh, no problem now until then. Now for no porn. Come.
Where is happening? This is where are you? Where are you? This is come out there. Come out from that place. This is where are you? This is come out. Yes, I came to beg her to chain that mad dog before I poison it.
Dog?
Yes.
I don't understand.
I'm talking about Ofunwa. Look at what she did to my daughter. Look at her face.
What? Chineke? When is when?
This morning, no. At the public tap, she attacked me and almost killed me, shouting that because of me that Tenkobo no longer touches her at night.
Warn her, oh. Just warn her. She has not come here to drag that Tenkobo from this house. He only saw good food and hungered for it.
I will handle the matter, please.
That good food will turn to maggot if I see her near my husband again. Look at this one. Osi husband? Which husband? Your husband is there lying in the grave. Why didn't you even die with him when he was buried?
No, leave her. Leave her, no way to get her. I will meet you at the junction where mad people are killed.
I will meet you there too. I will meet you there. No, go you.
Why you?
Let me see her near my husband again.
You just secret attack? Did it? Okay. Why are you confusing everybody? Causing confusion here and there. Eh? Girls, married women running after you, following you. What are you giving them? What
married women? Me?
Yes.
That is a fat lie. That is a very big lie. Ever since I returned to this village, I have not gone anywhere close to married women.
No, that's not even the issue. The issue is that the money you are throwing about, where do you get such money to throw about? As somebody who just ran into money rituals.
Money rituals? Yeah. That's another fat lie. That is another big lie peddled by evil people. Let me ask you, how do you think that people make money from ritual? Yeah? You should know if actually money rituals gives money. You, Ekene, you would have become a billionaire by now.
Your father?
That is our father.
Yes. Don't acquire you personally.
Why?
Because you insulted me.
I have not insulted you.
Okay. Where have you been the last 8 years? What was that gave you all this huge money you are throwing here and there? Huh?
I like this question. I love it. See, tell me all your problems and I will give you solution to all of them. This person talking to you. I am Oloye Tenkobo, the SSA to Oba of Lagos, even His Excellency. That is the Excellency of Lagos State. Do you know that Oluomo of Oshodi takes advice from me? That is to mean. That is to tell you that it is not easy. I speak better Yoruba, if I'm more Yoruba.
Oh, shut up, my friend! Confusing me and confusing yourself, or confusing yourself to confuse me. What's the problem? Let me tell you, madmen, any madman that is confused about his chain, bangles and necklaces is far from being cured. Very far. Okay? How about this girl inside? I want to advise you. If you're not interested to marry that girl, it is better that you let go, so that other interested men can marry her.
You can have her. You can have her. After all, I've not touched her. I've not.
Are you serious?
Of course, I've not.
Not even a... Are you serious?
Of course.
Wait. All this quickie, are here in the night.
The Kurikekwe you hear in the night is because she doesn't sleep well. On a dinner, John dinner.
Huh? Yeah. What does Kurikekwe has to do with Ajon dinner?
Kurikekwe has to do with Ajon dinner because the bed tolerates Kurikekwe.
But you're in the bed.
Of course, where will I be?
You know, most time in the morning, anytime I see you, your hand smells like geisha.
Yes, it does smell like that anytime I eat late at night. Anytime I eat late, that's how my hand smells.
If I probably seen me,
is geisha my god?
Wetin happen wey your face dey like potty? Talk now.
Mama kasala don burst. In fact, pikin head don show for 6 months.
Wetin happen?
My guy.
Which one of them?
Officer, wetin be that one? Why you wan fall my hand like this?
Oh, sorry, no vex. You know say you be fine girl. And customer, sorry, suitors them plenty. Tell me wetin happen.
Mama, I'm talking about Tenkobo.
Ah, Oloye himself. My correct and #1 in-law. Wetin do am?
Mama, he has been asking me to do that thing with him. And according to your instruction, you said I should post him.
Yes, now. I be one making run as others take on. Sorry. Well, tell me wetin happen.
Yeah. Anyway, Mama, while we were talking yesterday, he told me that his dreams has always been to marry a virgin.
How that one take concern you now? Even deliverance don't feel return your own. Oh, sorry, no verse. Wait till you come tell her.
Mama, I did not tell him anything. I did not tell him anything until he said that he's going to give the lucky girl 500,000. 500,000 naira, including a car.
Joy! That IG, stupid. The IG will give me this uniform. Make I wear. They mad. Wait till you talk.
Mama. Mama, now so this luck take past me.
Pass you for where? When me, Inspector Nkechi, is here. My veggie.
Mama the mama.
Eh? My veggie. My veggie.
Mama.
I will package you. Don't worry. Now that one make your face like this. Don't worry yourself. I will package you.
adịghị na-abịa. Oke mmanwụ. Ibudu oke mmanwụ. Ta. Ejijiri m na-atụ mfe ịbụ nsị karịrị gwom nwere jom nwere jom ha obejiri igbudo oke agụ enwe ndị na-abịa I nwere ya Adam n'ihe Adam I hope you know we don't cry here. Do you hear me? Do not make the anger of the Buddha. Carry this body down. Down. We will remove the head and give Otakasi. The body will be for the earth. It's a food. This moment. Move him! Udanigwe! Nataba! The head is for Ibudu. Otakas. They will have made in for the earth. It is not for you. Go home! I don't want to see you here.
Okay. I don't know what is happening now. I've been to 5 different towns and all the people I met refuse to do business with me.
Is it that they don't know how to do sharp business or what?
This is any tire, fire, head bridge, heads will roll.
Just like that. For what? Hi. Oh, this is why I miss Lagos. I miss Lagos so much. Eko Otibaje go.
I'm waiting for the meaning.
Oh, sorry. It means that Lagos is very sweet. And that's what it means. Eko Otibaje go. It is very, 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 very sweet. When you hear Yoruba man say go, it means that the thing is very, 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 very. So Otibaje go. It means that it is very, 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 very sweet. But that on your side. What do we do now?
To me, I think I will go to other towns on the outskirts and check if I could actually meet people that would do business.
That would be very fantastic. I hope you still remember the spare parts that I want.
Yes, I remember. Wiper, 10 each. Radiator, 15. Shock absorber, 20. I remember all those things.
Most importantly, I want you to make additional of 20 horns. You understand? Very big horn, oh, like that of a trailer, a luxurious bus. All those big horns. I put them like 20. Eh? Put 20 horns. I am not forgetting one fact that I need to sponsor your movement. You are counting. An Igbo man. Hey.
Don't blame me.
Owokoda. Owokoda.
I know you will tell me the meaning.
It means Owokoda means money is very good. That is what Owokoda means. It moves the mountain. It moves the mountain. Let us move before somebody begin to, you know. Owokoda.
So who is the girl?
Mama, you will not know her. She's not from this village.
Yeah. Oh, no brother. I ask so because there are no virgins left in this town.
Not this person in question. This person is from a responsible home.
Yeah.
She's from a good home.
And you are sure it is not a farmer's daughter, Rita? Because that one's middle name is Bed Inuakwa. No addition, no subtraction.
Yeah, of course, Mama, she's not the person. She's not a farmer's daughter.
Then who is she? Who is the idiot that wants to steal my husband from me? Because I will kill her and kill myself. Mama, I will kill her and kill myself.
Mama, I have always warned you about this girl. I have always warned you. Anytime she opens her mouth to talk, what comes out of her mouth is kill, 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 kill. I am sure her father was a failed butcher or a member of secret court. Honestly speaking, no.
You can say anything you want. God knows I'm not leaving my husband's house for any idiot.
Who is your husband? Who is your husband? Let me tell you. Number one, I am not your husband. You are not my wife. I did not come to your place to pay any shilling on you. You're not my wife. Two, you heard me talk about my wife-to-be, who is a virgin. A virgin untouched.
What's special about that? What's so special about that? Was I not a virgin when I came to this house before?
Before what? Before what? Sorokiakia. Sorokiakia. Mbati. Before? Mama. Over to you. Mama. Tori don't get killed. Temi tiba you, Mama. Tie tiba you. Shobon koton so ni ennegin sini. To baba bo ma ta ba fo won jopa. O shodi oke na ile oke. Shobon.
Nko shko na again.
Mama Yoruba. This is Yoruba, Ijebu Yoruba for that matter. Mama, this is the inner, in fact, the deepest part of Ijebu. It is only a rooted Ijebu Yoruba man or woman that can understand this Yoruba. Tie tiba you. Temi tiba you, Mama. Tie tiba you. Shobon koton so ni ennegin sini. O shodi oke na ile oke. Shobon, you want it. Mama. Onuru ka wa mmadụ juma na-ekwu akụkọ mmadụ ibe go chụla gụra enwuru n'anya onye pụta ụtụtụ ọdịwa onye ke ya kọrọ jụma ajụjụ onye ka o si n'aka a ga-alele oyoyo.
Before what? Was it not Ebuka, my son, that Mopugi? Hey!
Mama, I washed it very well. blood no fit flow unless he triggers it.
What about that?
I used it yesterday as you suggested, and a few hours back. Mama, guess what? It is sealed. I can't believe my eyes. Mama, now you dey share wisdom, Mama.
So, sit down there, they look now. I see say your father take catch me. Yeah? Hey, that man go feel swear juju say I ain't first right this was.
Going to happen to you. You're not going to die. Eh? God forbid.
I rather break this vow of being untouched than let you leave me. Oh. See, I paid for your hotel room. Let's go.
Eh? You did what? Eh? Look, my love, I am ready to wait. Believe you me, I am ready to wait. In fact, I rather die than lose you.
That is here. That is here. See, even if Igbo refuse to kill you, I'm here. I will struggle with my hands.
Ekene, what are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you. Because this is my in-law's house.
Who is your wife? This man, what is your problem? What is your problem? Won't you leave me alone?
How? How? Why would I leave you alone? My goat, my sheep, my money. Huh? Still leave you alone.
Wait, can somebody tell me what is happening here?
My in-law, nothing they happen. Eh? Nothing they happen. When a man is impotent and suffers from an enlarged scrotum, he begins to blame everybody for his fatherlessness. See, make I tell you. You see law, you know sabi anything when they call you. If you try rubbish here, eh, I go throw you inside jail, throw away the key.
Ekene, please let me politely ask you this question. Why are you bent on embarrassing me before my wife and my mother-in-law?
Ini Edo. Yeah? So you also here? You also here? Hey! I was told that this girl is a standby generator for all the men in this community. Dikeh, I was busy supplying meat, supplying things. Yeah? So you also a customer?
Did I beg you? Did I come to your shrine to force you?
You rejected anyone? When you were mourning and screaming like a homeless deity in the bush. Eh? And you so you can saw this.
Doing what?
Hey. See, let me tell you. This one will not end here. I promise you. You already know who I am. Idiot. Not even one goat will remain. I must recover all.
Idiot. Bad belly people.
Police, I mean.
See them. My in-law, see, you're not supposed to be mixing up with people like this.
No. That is my brother. That is my brother. So you have been telling me lies. Yeah? You are not a virgin.
Because of that jealousy goat. That jealousy goat that also wanted to rape me. That's why you're calling me a liar, baby. Muanka, you're calling me a liar. In fact, if I don't prove this thing to you today, I'll walk around this village naked.
There's no point for that, too. There is no point for you.
I insist, though.
You insist?
I insist. Ngwa, let's go to the room. Mama.
And enter inside the house. Is it not your husband again? Enter inside.
Kilele. To babo boy, my type of phone. When no jota. Iya were ni o bere ni. Shomo nkan to so nere ginsin. To babo boy, my type of phone. Kinele.
My in-law, leave all this plenty thing where they speak this language.
Ebuka, where have you been for 4 days?
Mama, is that the question you're supposed to be asking me? Yeah? It's your son, you know him. This boy used money, evil money, to deceive a girl I wanted to marry.
The girl I told you was a public toilet?
Dirty pig. I don't know what they see in that girl.
Can you shut up your mouth? Can you shut up your mouth? Because each time you talk, I want to vomit. Are you mad? Yeah? Mama, that girl in question is the girl that I want to marry. If that girl says no, that she will not marry me, I will kill myself.
God forbid.
Just prepare the burial.
Over who? that Janglova. Hey, Ebuka, did your brother not tell you that he has tested her rotten fruits?
But there's nothing rotten about her fruit. Nothing rotten about her.
Yamileko, I will forgive you. I will forgive you because you have stayed long in the village. You've mixed up with a lot of illiterates. That's the reason I will forgive you. Those who went to school, educated people, says that knowledge is power. Direct knowledge is absolute power.
Meaning?
Meaning that girl in question, I have visited her holy mountain. I have been on honeymoon with that same girl. Mama, I met her untouched. A virgin. Purest virgin.
Mama, I have visited that valley. Deep and very, in fact, dual carriageway.
Look at you. Mama, you think you have a son here? You don't have a son here. Tell him to wake up from his dreams. You understand? Look at you. You are a rapist. If you don't know. Oh, you think I don't know?
Who rape who? Hey, how can a rapist rape rapist? Or how can somebody rape a rapist?
You think I don't know? You think she did not tell me? She told me everything, how you wanted to rape her. In fact, if you have sense, you're supposed to thank me. Without me, you would have been locked up in Kirikiri prison. Most importantly, I thank the kind of mother-in-law that I have. A woman with good heart. Otherwise, by now, you would have been crying, wow, Iyamini, Temi, Bamilobo, in Kirikiri prison, if you don't know.
Look, you will not bring that akuna in this house.
Please, who are you? Who are you?
Your wife and mother of your child. Yes, no. Me, I'm pregnant, oh, Mama.
Hey!
What that you? You come to the back.
What is wrong? Oh boy, how far? Okay, I've been calling his phones. They are all switched off. I want to speak with him. It's very important. Please give him the phone. Eh? Hospital? What happened? What's wrong? Fire? Wait, are you saying that fire cut up his house or what? What kind of bad luck is this one? Tire. What kind of a bad luck is this one?
What do you mean you do not understand?
Sent in your ear head is what I just said. My son is not responsible for your daughter's pregnancy.
Why? Is he impotent? Or did he tell you that his body is there to a woman's touch? I'm not here to drag logic with you. My daughter is pregnant and your son is responsible. Tell him to come and do the right thing.
And what would the right thing be, if I may ask?
Marry her, of course. What else? Or then you are looking for my trouble.
Oh, Mama, my son is not responsible for whatever thing that happened to your daughter. Talk to her, and she will tell you who is responsible for that pain in her stomach.
You know what? It's obvious you do not want this. And I, Afoma, will give you pieces. If that boy does not come to claim his child, I will not look at square.
You, Afoma, will give it to me in pieces.
Bam!
Okay. I Afoma. Like mother, like daughter. Opo handas, ijiji handi missis. Like mother, like daughter. Newu na ata agba nwa ya na-ene ya anya n'ọnụ.
So while I was giving you my virginity, you were busy sleeping around with that thing. That thing that's been going around calling herself your wife. As if that's not enough, she's even pregnant for you.
That girl is a witch.
Yet you jumped on her.
I did not jump on her. As a matter of fact, I was drunk. I never knew what happened. Something is wrong somewhere. Somebody somewhere is making plans to tie that girl to me. That girl Ofunwa.
And you're sure you want to marry me?
She won't sorrow. Kini mele. To ba bubo man ta ba fun. Won no jota. To ba no ye man. Shobon ko to so le listen. Tie temi tie ni. Look, I am ready to marry you today. Just to mention it, and it will happen. Just say it.
What was it you said you brought for me?
Alaye kíákíá sọ̀rọ̀. Báwo ni ṣógbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ ní ilé ọ̀dà àárọ̀ ni? I decided to bring you this. It's 100,000.
100,000? But this is not what you promised me.
This was not what I promised you. This one is dash. You understand? The one I promised you for business, that one will come soon.
Okay. See, I will accept this money because you have been nice to me and because I gave you my virginity. See, let me tell you, I will not allow any girl in this village destroy what we have. Never.
Let me promise you now. Having given me your virginity, I am going to keep it intact. I will not use it anyhow. I know you want to hear something about that girl in my house. Yeah, my baby. Askari warenia. Shewerenia. Say yes. Shewerenia means, are you happy now? Shewerenia. Yes.
Come back here! Confess now or I kill you! Confess now or I kill you! Come to prison! Confess! I will kill you if you don't confess! I don't want to kill this girl! Yes! I want to kill her! Let me tell you, Mama, if this girl doesn't confess, I will kill her! I have killed more than 10 people! I have gone to prison before. I am ready to go to prison again because of this girl. If she doesn't confess, I will kill her and go to prison.
Ebuka, stop this rubbish. What is wrong with you? What's the answer, son?
Mama, relax. Confess. Are you? Confess.
I will confess. I was a virgin.
Which one is I was a virgin? I was a virgin, no. Talk.
He was disturbing me, telling me he loves me. He loves me. And when you didn't come back, they did the burial. He came back again.
He came back again. And so what happened? When he came back again. And what happened? I'll kill you. Go. I'll cut off your head, man.
I allowed him.
You allowed him?
I allowed him. He keeps on coming. I tried to stop him. But he said I'm
Jesus. In my house?
Mama, don't call Jesus. Don't call Jesus here. You heard her. She said he kept coming. Or said, all your talk. And he kept coming. And you mentioned Jesus. Let me tell you. Very soon, you're going to call Angel Gabriel, Angel Michael, Angel Uriel, Angel Raphael, all the angels in heaven. Confess. Keep talking.
A week before you came back, I found out I was pregnant. I told him. He said I should come to you so that we can say it's yours.
Thank you very much. You did well. Thank you.
So you have been bringing men inside my house?
God forbid.
God forbid what? God forbid what, Ofunwa? Was it an angel that impregnated you?
No, Mama. It was.
Doko! It was what? It was who?
Brother Kenneth.
Let's go. Also the wale, pẹ̀lú change. Also the wale, pẹ̀lú change. Ìwọ tó bọ́ yẹn, ìmọ̀ yẹn tá a bọ̀ fún ẹ.
Fumo kuna konko ya ndori ko mandekwe. Iwo o so doke pẹ̀lú change. Tenkobo ó dàárọ̀. Tenkobo ó dàárọ̀. O so doke wale pẹ̀lú change. O so doke wale pẹ̀lú change. Ó dàárọ̀. Tenkobo ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀.
You have disappointed me.
Ó dàárọ̀ Tenkobo.
Hey!
Take this body down there now. Onye mejo wili se buri. Omo ni no boda ke do ti si we buri. Ina no boda meji me. Ti si we buri. Ibu daru. Ogbo onye mbase nda na atia. Ta. Igbo ye butara ya. Onye me ọjọọ n'obodo gbuo ya. Igbo na-ekwugo. Bukarus. Igbo agụ ime gburu ka na.
What are all these corpses doing here?
You never see anything. No, there's no corpse. I come from all the states. You can. State what? Anybody that will kill you, bring the person to this evil forest. Birds, fish from there.
But I thought this tradition has long ended.
Has even ended. I'm sorry because of you. Mama called me.
Forget about that one. I'm not worried again. As a matter of fact, I have relinquished her to you. I am willing to sponsor the wedding. That one is not a problem. The reason I came to this place is I came to tell you that I am ready to take over as the chief priest.
Yeah, Mbiana.
It's not like Ibiana. After all, what? You're my brother. Anything that belongs to me only belongs to you. So there is no Biala one on me.
The same issue. We called you. 2 elders came. You sent message across. They brought message back that you are dead. That was what you told them before you share money and give them.
That was in the past. You people have always wanted me to come back to take my place as the chief priest. I have come. In fact, I have made up my mind to serve Igbo. Is there anything wrong? But now I have quitted. Now that I am here, it means that I have quitted.
You quitted?
Stop this your Mbati this thing. How much has Mbati put in your account? Let me tell you, I just opened a bank. I inherited the bank from my ancestors. Forget about that one. That was in the past. We're talking about, billionaires. In fact, no, millionaires. Don't worry, I will send you the address. I will. Odaro. Ibudu. Shobon got to son yen degi sini. To baba mwe. E ma yata abafu. When no jota. To ba no he. Manyu. She were ni sorry. Don't be angry, Ibudu. I che follow me down Yoruba. Agma kushi Yoruba. Ke wona enwo ti shiga meeting. Ndị arụsị ndị ọzọ na ala Yoruba. Onwe ka ha shi agba izu ọjọọ gbagide gị. Ewe ike ndị ha na-asụ. Gba ha gala international. I'm accusing you, Yoruba. Show me what to say. Oh, Ibudu, what come? I'm me who take your wine. When I call below, Ibudu, Yoma. Why? I said it. Asikari were in here. Asikari were in here. Èmi ni ó sọ̀rọ̀ tí é tèmi ti ní tèyí ó wèlé ṣe wọlé ìlú ṣe tó gbọ́n tó sọ yé dèjì sí ní àṣírí bọ́bọ̀ àlẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n náà jọ́ta lóde ìlú ọ̀ṣẹ́. You will marry him.
But Mama, he's serving that juju as if you don't know.
How much did he promise you?
1 million naira in 2 months' time. But the juju.
Obiageli, I know your head is not empty. Use your brain.
Oh, show me that down. You know do me well.
You still talk this story. Let me tell you, Alade. This one is just small thing. Better things are ahead. We have a lot of things to do in the hereafter. Should stop emphasizing on this small thing. You know what? Take this.
This one na one bond 200,000. Lele, you move 100,000.
That is 100,000.
What I can 100,000 do for a deal of 2 million? Why you give me 100,000?
Did we deliver what we were paid for? Did we?
Wait, not be the process of when we want to go deliver this thing and cash me. You know how much I pay before I settle myself from police people? I'm actually go down. Emi, turn on me pa. What about Dano Sumigo?
Dano.
Fire, tire.
You said it. You said so.
Now you carry this one, give me. Mo Igbo be se man se niyen. Mi fẹ́ o, mi fẹ́ gbowo ẹ. Wo ma ṣe we fún ẹ sin. Ma bọ́ṣọ fún ẹ. Èwo ló ṣe? O am 100,000 lórí kíni. O fẹ́ kí fún ẹ lọ́pàá ni. Ìlú ẹ̀ mo wà o. Àwọn ya lu mi ma jẹ ma tún náà. Ọba lu mi ma jẹ ma tún náà ọmọ. Bàbá ẹ̀ mama ẹ̀ ma jẹ ma tún náà. O ma fún ẹ lọ́pàá o. Ma fún ẹ lọ́pàá nsin wa. Ja kí ló ṣe? You dey keep quiet. On that one, you dey look quiet. You dey keep quiet. They look me.
Well, your food don't finish. That is the problem with you Yoruba people. Small matter that you will resolve amicably, you will turn it into fight. This is, I just gave you this thing as a token. Use it for transport. You are here shouting, speaking plenty Yoruba, ranting and saying a lot of things. Let me tell you, by right, you're not supposed to be a part to this new arrangement. Yes, you're not supposed to be part of this new arrangement. I brought you in because I remembered in the past. That was the reason I brought you into this new arrangement. Otherwise, you're not supposed to be part of it. Let me tell you, Alade. What you're going to do now is go and get more politicians. From 50 to 60 politicians. I have enough spare parts for all of them.
Yeah, my Leo, that one go hard though. After waiting don't happen, no mortuary go want to deal with me again.
Let me tell you, Alade, I have a mortuary that the freezer does not run dry. I am telling you, in my mortuary, the freezer does not run dry. Always equipped with spare parts.
Oh, William Van, yeah. That one bullion van money.
In fact, for saying this, I don't verse. Make it 100 politicians.
Oh, bullion van, yeah.
See, in my mortuary freezer, I have radiator, I have carburetor, I have wiper, I have shock observer, I even have bow joint.
Hey,
that is to say that there is no amount of politicians you will bring that I will not satisfy. I have all their parts, spare parts. Hey, serve them. I'm telling you.
Tuale! Tuale! Oh! Oh! Check it. Oh!
Go put him go one. Owa way is way. Remove the owu. I don't want that one.
No, the head is swell up.
Alade, there is this one you spoke again. You said because in Yoruba, I know that when a Yoruba man say Oli down for means he's making mockery of the other person. And you're saying remove.
Okay, no Allah. I know he's already. What?
I should walk. It's alright, I will walk.
All the way from Benin. No, intra.
Chief,
thank you very much. Thank you, Loye Tenkobo. Thank you. You don't think when I hear about you. May your sauce never run dry. Now people like Una, they make great men like us to the bigger.
It's alright. You're once again welcome. Chief, your payment slip.
Oh, that's what. No problem now. 200,000 as Alade tell me.
Chief, is remaining 10,000 naira. You have to balance us 10,000 naira for washing and setting.
I don't understand which one be washing and setting. A saloon with the.
Bring this package. The other. No, that one. You see? No blood dripping, no smell, very clean. That is washing and setting.
Hey, impressive. brain box o baskilo wà nínú bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Thank you very much. It's all right. I'll give her the money.
Please don't forget. Chief.
Don't forget to come again. That's why it's a tough spot. Sure. I go come again and again and again. Now the last person with that. 20 people in one day. Hey. See,
honestly speaking, I thought I go fire all these politicians who say they no go ever eat belly food. Honestly.
If you say God go punish us too with that, because as it be so, we don't blow.
God is an understanding God. He understands with us, so he will not punish us.
We don't close for the day.
So what do we do with this fast?
This one's now tomorrow booking.
Okay, go on the freezer. Go on the freezer. Ombono fini tia malaki Johnny. Ombono fini. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini. Obumo. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini.
You have not said anything about what I said to you. Huh? You are just there looking at me like he goat caught eating a stolen cassava.
Oboko, I will answer this question because you are my cousin. If not, I will send you out of this compound. Olo you think Kobo.
Ebuka, Chukwu Ebuka. Why are you people behaving as if you don't know God? Jobless Ebuka that just came out from prison.
Prison, kwa?
Yes, prison. We know his story. What are you telling me? We know his story. Some Ebuka suddenly start buying cars, buying buildings. Impossible. I don't believe it.
Your problem is jealousy.
Me jealous?
For your information, he gave my husband 500,000 to start a business.
500,000? Yes. Jesus. Which husband? Ebuka eats. Ekene.
You are very stupid. You will get out of this compound. Leave here.
The truth is always bitter, and I'm telling you the truth is I should leave. No problem at all. If not that you're my cousin, I know you would have given me too. No problem.
Get out of here. If you need money,
you will hear
come
the,
and
don't
meet
worry.
him.
I'm going.
We will see the result. I'm the man. Jobless man.
Baby, I missed you.
I missed you too. I missed you plenty. Show more Davido ati Whiskey. One show with a phone. One show with a phone.
Ibiakwa. What is that one?
It means my heart belongs to you.
See, Yoruba is too sweet. You see that Lagos? We are going there together.
Eko ni baje. Moti wale. Bere soro. Isn't that Yoruba? That Yoruba land. In fact, the journey to Yoruba land, Lagos State has begun. It has started. Honestly speaking.
I don't understand.
Okay, let me break this thing to you now. I have a very good plan. This plan is, in fact, by the end of this month, I am going to marry you fully. Hey! Don't shout yet. Don't shout. Don't shout yet until I unveil the main thing. Now, mo ti sọ fún ẹ, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ ní ẹnìyẹn sì tó bá bọ̀ ìwọ̀n mẹ́rin tàgbà fún ẹ tó bá jíde consider ó ṣòdì wọlé pẹ̀lú change eléyìí ní ṣùgbọ́n it's alright, sorry. To tell you what you are going to, in fact, the things you are going to enjoy the moment you come in as my wife. Part of the enjoyment is here. Eléyìí kẹ̀tẹ́kẹ̀tẹ́ ni ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ fún ẹ pé ìgbọ́n torí Ọlọ́run yẹn lè ní sí mi. This car is yours. Obi ṣe ṣàwèrè ní wèrè lọ́hún ó ti wèrè ó ti yà 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 wèrè bèrè lọ́hún ó ti yà wèrè means you can shout as much as ó ti yà wèrè.
Oti ya were bere na onu ni nne gi sinu. Jogbo. What do you think? Are these people trying to try me? If anybody tries any nonsense on me, I will show the person why Twali boys call me Oloitenkobo. Oloitenkobo who have traveled far and wide in Yoruba land. Ijebode, Ogunosho, Shumogbo, Oshodi, Emini Osoro, Sorokiakia, Tobobo, Emaya Tabafwe, when we're not jota. Tobanohi, Manyo, Sorokiokio, Sorokiakia, Emini Toriko Mandekwe, Kinele, Skawere, Emini Osoro, Oshodi Wale, Pelu change. Shobo, try me, and you will know why Twale boys call me Tenkobo. What is the problem? Big problem there. What is the problem?
Tell us where you get all those money you're throwing about. Tell us where you get them. Say it now, or I expose you.
Ekene, what is this about?
Mama, what else if not jealousy?
Me? Jealousy?
Of course.
I will expose you.
You will not do it. In fact, Mama, I am not in for this rubbish.
Ask him. Every night he scream and shout. Ask him what is chasing him.
My friend, go, close your mouth. If you need more money, tell me to give you money. Stop allowing poverty to control you.
We need it though.
Who be we? Me, I don't need your shameless money. Spare parts dealer.
What did you just call me?
I said you are a spare parts dealer.
Ebuka, when did you start selling parts?
Mama, ignore him. Huh? Ignore him.
Ignore who? Me. Ebuka, I am your senior brother. I've watched you, followed you for a number of days now. For over 1 week, I've been following you in the late hours, you get up to the evil forest to go and cut the spare parts of those dead bodies that Igbo killed. You sell them to politicians. You think I don't know? It's a normal. Breast. Tom. Yeah, tongue. Liver, kidney. Should I continue? These are the spare parts you cut from dead bodies that he would have killed, and you go to sell them.
Hey, Mama, are you trying to concur to this thing he's saying? Are you concurring to this? This one is just a mere jealousy. Otherwise, what will he be saying? What
Hey, Ekene, keep your voice down, please.
Why? No, tell me, why will I lower my voice, Mama? Why do you hide abomination? Why? You will die, oh.
Which abomination?
I've just said my own.
Ekene, which abomination? Let me ask you. Are you the chief priest of Igbo? No. Those dead bodies, do they belong to you? No. The die that will come, is it your die? No. So what's your problem?
Okay.
So those men that you say you supply material that come from city, Okuma is the material.
Mama, cool down. Those people, did I kill anyone? Did I kill any person? Those dead bodies are abandoned properties. And instead of animals to come and eat them up, I decided to make them a useful usage. Each nylon bag, each nylon of porridge is sold at 300,000 naira.
Which one is porridge again?
Porridge is liver, kidney, intestine.
300,000
or even more.
Hey! Ekene, this is a lot of money. This is better than the goat and the fowl that you bring home. This is money.
Mom, I am surprised that you shout like somebody who sneaked to go and smoke woo-wee. Don't worry. By now you would have looked for boys to tie this idiot down. Tie him with rope. Keep him in one of the churches. You're not shouting.
Tie him down for what one?
I've just said my own, no.
Why should I tie him down? Hey, become my son. Please, don't mind your brother. He worries a lot. How can I help you?
Me, I will be secretary.
And what will I be?
Treasurer.
Hey! I like Yamonka. I like the title. Hey!
This is...
What is happening Mama? Here? Tenkobo just won a contract of million. Mama. Million. Mama, hey! Million!
Yes! Millions!
It's for celebration now. We are celebrating already. The title of my
Hey!
Hey, Mama.
Chukwu ebuka nwa m.
Okay, na agakwa ọzọ.
Chukwu ebuka nwa m.
My mama is still coming o.
Ọ na-agha ya. Ọ na-agha ya.
Hey! Ọfụma pick my money o.
Ọfụma pick it.
Mama,
Master's money. Ego nwa.
wete o, Mama.
Hey! Seketịrị. Nwa ka o bido.
Mama wete o. Mama, ego ka na-abịa.
Nwa m le.
It's still coming.
Nwa m le.
Mama, money.
Nwa m le. Hey! Hey! You should take it easy. Take it easy.
Mama, can I see take it
Take
easy?
it easy. Let me pick my money. Come on, mama.
Toba mu we nza ba fu ya. Kwa mo no jota. To to lo we ngi sinu. Toba no he manyu. O ba selu. O so de wale. Pelu change.
Change.
Oh! Tell me tell you. Ah!
Ebuka.
Eh?
This one is better than change.
This is 10 kobo.
It's bigger than
Hello, 10 kobo ni. Olo 10 kobo. Yeah. Olo 10 kobo. Olo 10 kobo. Olo 10 kobo. Eh! Olo 10 kobo ni. Olo ye. Matumahu. Mabru. Matima brumele. Olo 10 kobo. Matima brumele. Ah. Fumobe. Ya biligi. Fumobe na nkonko he. Toba mahuru male. Manyo mabo. Male manyo mabo. Toba mabo. Obebe bana Iti akara jiri. Okogi. Bariba nobodo, bariba. Onye maru simte ebe. Onye maru bute ni ebe. Tubi na ebute ebe a. Ode ebe. Onye ego. Ebe. Na je wo bi. Ina baru. Bariba. Brother! What do we want to where? Where's the akara jibe? Where? That's what I'm mistaken, Bumu. It's one up in the village. Don't kill me by mistake. You broke on the mistake. Alade, where you go since morning? See, make I tell you, you know they don't turn hot cake for this village. If I ever hear that you impregnated any girl, Omo Yoruba, it's turn sudden.
See, Ogbeni, me here, I don't get your time this morning.
What's happened?
Only barrage she me get the way body they do me like say I'm sick.
Look at you, Alade. You cannot have somebody like Oloye Tenkobo and fall sick. The chief priest of Igbo is not possible. You understand? So relax, there's no shaking. I was, before you came, I was doing checks and I'm trying to do checks and balances of spare parts. The ones we supply and the ones remaining. So I'm trying to balance the equation.
Oloye Tenkobo. Oloye Tenkobo. Oloye Tenkobo. Oloye Tenkobo.
Like, what is it? What is it? See, this Yoruba boy, if you want to die, you go to Oshogbo. Don't come and die here. Okay. What is this? What is going on? What is happening? Everywhere you would walk. What happened now? Get in the light! Show it in here! Show it in any! You don't come and take away! You would want you! What is happening here? What is happening? What is happening? Get in the light! Get in the light! What's my boy? What did I do wrong? Kill him over Benny. Kill him alive. Kill him over me. Come over your man, come over here. We want to run to that. Come on, your man. Do you want my neighbor? What can you do? Okay, come here. What have I done? What did I do? Kill him over. Kill him over. Come over your man, come over here. So you are responsible for all this. So it is you. Again. Let me be. Let me be. Hey, yeah. Who can I pose to Galat? I cannot open up. Yeah, the baby. Yeah, the baby. Onye chilakweke n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba, onye bụ chilakweke n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba, eke yiri wushi n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba. Please now, I'm your brother. Shut up. I'm your brother. Please. Who's the name? If you say you're going to be here, you remain like this for 10 years. Like this. Then after 10 years, you can now humble yourself to serve him. Again, so you're the one behind this. You're wicked. You're wicked. Are you no longer the Oloye Tenkobo and the Yoruba Mbaka? You said you are the special advisor to Oluoma of Lagos. You are also the special advisor to Oba of Lagos and a special friend to His Excellency the Governor of Lagos State. Huh? I'm not again. Not again. Why? If you play this gong and it didn't sound well, now you play it so that. Okay, how do you expect me to play this gong under this condition? Which hand will I use? Ibudu, please, now. Ibudu, please. Huh? You are making it straight. Okay, no problem. You've forgotten that Ibudu has a mouthpiece. Okay, make it straight. Since I mean nothing to you. No problem. If you are hungry, thank God you have enough. You have enough something for your savings account. If you want to, you chop from here. Maybe you start from breast. When you finish the breast. Onye chilakweke n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba, onye chilakweke n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba, eke yiri wushi n'ọba, chilakweke n'ọba. Agwa ntị. Ntị anụghị. Mgbe anyị ebe isi.
ntị asa abeg na. Ndị nwụrụ anwụ everywhere. Hey! Oloye 10 kobo. You been reduced to Oloye 1 kobo. Tèmi ti bá you. Tí bá mi. Ṣọgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ ní ẹnẹ́gẹ́ sí ni tó bá bọ́bọ́ ìwọ̀n ìmọ̀ ẹ̀ta pọ̀ fún ẹ. Ibudu, I promised you I will teach you Yoruba. Okay, now under this condition now, how will it be possible? I cannot even talk well. Please, remember, if I teach you Yoruba, you will go international. How do I do it? Please. Tèmi ti bá you, tí bá mi, Ibudu. Tó bá ná ẹ máa yàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wẹ̀ nánà jọ́ta.
This one is still here sleeping.
Oloye 10 kobo. Oloye 10 kobo. Oloye otite. Kini ni eléyìí? Tó bá bọ́bọ́ ìwé máa ta àpọ̀ fún ẹ. Wọ́n ìwọ̀n náà jọta. Tó ń torí Ọlọ́run. Tèmi ti bá you. Tí etí bá mi. Mama, what have you done to me? What have you done?
Cause now again, when you were busy last night, swallowing 3 wraps of fufu, thought it was a war.
See, Mama, if I tell you what happened to me, honestly speaking, you will faint.
Faint what? For what? You are here sleeping when you're supposed to be on your way to Lagos. Or are you taking night bus?
To where? Lagos. Me go to Lagos? I'm not going to Lagos. See, whatever thing Lagos has for me, Lagos should keep it. I am not interested. If I tell you what I saw, Mama, if you see what I saw, you will not advise me to leave this compound in the next 8 years. Honestly.
Are you not the Oloye 10 Kobe again? Are you not the man that say you want to be the most popular Igbo man in Lagos?
Mama, leave all those things. I set them under the influence of one wicked fever that attacked me. Okay, ask me now, what is the meaning of Oloye? Do I even know the meaning of Oloye? I don't even know what Oloye means. See, Mama, my name is Tenko. Tenko. That is fine. No addition, no subtraction. Tenko. I don't even know Oloye. Do I even know the meaning of Oloye?
Okay, Tenko.
No addition, no subtraction. Mama, I'm hungry. Do we still have any fufu left? I'm a foolish man. You good? Mama, I'm telling you that I'm hungry and you're going inside. Is it a crime for me to be hungry? See, let me tell you, I'm your child. Come and take care of my responsibilities.
Oloye 10 kobo. 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 10 kobo, 10 kobo, 10 kobo, 10 kobo.
Imanya takpa fue, tori kwa nande kwaro, shokwa kotonso, take over lay, ikwemo, babala ye, take over lay, ina supancha, oloye today of the memory wa, toba no ye manu, hey, alele, take over, mameka bataga, take over, friendship. So I could not think of it. Oh my God, what tell them that I'm not a poor, but then you think of it, fascinated. So the look she didn't tell us, she said, make you travel and see. Don't you get them, then no one got go to the but to catch up, think about what you want to do.